Tell me, because what do be? They claim say Ibrahim Traore is a coup maker, but coup near or no what not 2 years, but what we are transforming Burkina Faso there, I come back coup no. So what I say, because we Ouattara, or be a weird diplomat, yeah, full say you are going to transform Africa. Oh my man, say Jimmy, mass.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I have Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share. Many two more now on Sa Akabi. And every video is in there if you would break free pipe and one me year fee. I'm a baby. You see, me catch him baby. But man see man jendi. Me catch him some Bible no. There is a day of reckoning. There is an awakening of the black man. And that thing was heralded by Ibrahim Traore. Na ene wave na aircon edu Cote d'Ivoire over the weekend massa enya sepetwa me say president no dwane Ouattara I no dwane na pese akohwe ba na ye delve into what really caused the coup yen komra. President Ouattara, those times no not or accusing Gbagbo said or no were holding on to power. Pato tell you, Ouattara is social mukrana on your Ivorian. Gbagbo in a command and Ivorian what citizenship. Actually, no number 2 what that president. Now, Opa and will say somebody is holding on to power. Ouattara, you are going for the 4th term. If this is not stupidity and greedy, then tell me. Tell me. Because what do be? They claim say Ibrahim Traore is a coup maker. But coup near or no what not 2 years, but what we are transforming Burkina Faso there, I come back coup no. So what I say, because we Ouattara or be a weird diplomat, yeah, full say you are going to transform Africa. Oh my man, say Jimmy proper mass. When Jimmy see obia, and that's my car, but some California see at about mama. Yes, I be any ho. But I'm telling you, because that's someone what's now what him say you are Democrats. What him say at the end, what else first, second term, move away. What change constitution, no? And then you went for the 3rd term and you rechange it at the age of 85. What is wrong with you? Wow, Sanya Mori bin Naya. The youth rise up, now literally take over now. Yes, because any everyone and Kwasiasem back up and Maka and check also you better know I'm saying Amano, so 1 man so on one episode. Paul Biya, Cameroon, 90-something years. Akukuna went to win that was my president. Or spending almost 90% of his time outside Cameroon, also a president. Africa, Jimmy, dear me who be that. Jimmy side Pro Max. But these people are calling themselves Democrats. Democrats are sabe. Who ade na sabi enku mamba you call yourself Democrats. Coup ya ebeba bebe o say eye bloodless coup eye ya na edi to abesu sumasa sore na call baby yente say ye coup obi wo Ivory Coast yente ye but niesi nyina ne say there's been coup and na coup ni nyina esenti esidira ne say Africa is awakening. Se nkofo hwe nia Ibrahim Traore wa ye Burkina Faso a ejika na ejise oye because Africa has suffered for so long. And Penifone Jimmy for so long. And Penifone after say yeah puppets. But they are also puppet to the whites. Because so when you're puppeter, you won't sit in your own country for somebody to what dictate to you what you should do and what you should not do. Some of us men kaseku mrada eyemechi wade but Jimmy African leaders be Jimmy there they need to be removed. Because who Jimmy Cha, who banner will tell this one, get up and go. Signal, warning. Or tell this one, don't try to change any constitution because I'm far. No matter what you are not a godsend. Clinton, Oba America, or Yeniyama Bebre, the time you do, and Obian can't chance on the time is up. Let the state institutions work. When they work, we don't need to be changing constitutions. Because see a program here no na bibia da ho na bibia obi ani say this is how it's going here. I don't need somebody to tell me say this is my job. And then I can say flooding in Accra. Since I was born, there's always been flooding in Accra. Obi baby sir NDC MPP and NDC MPP Jimmy because the one who is in charge. So you say he or she's supposed to do a good job. Na onya say otimi sorry fi akunya so anase ya pamono ya pamona ni obeba biem onim se so ya adwuma but we hide behind what political class and commit slander and treason. Enso ye to ye mate say nipa more than 10 ahwomonka. You see we don't even value life because you value life masa kenye kwasasema ye eti Cote d'Ivoire akono next place amahu say baba kwa Nigeria and Cameroon. And Nigeria president no so Jimmy or so for the promise. What it was a penny toto. The thing kakra oni adwin bia ontim. Mate say you to know so a man warning. Obia wo gina ho say yentu Ibrahim Traore bia yebetu. Africa we are waking. The youth we won't sit down for them to come and destroy Ibrahim as he has done to us. We are ready. I Xposed GHFM by Bruce subscribe share. Me too man now say can be Manuel.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.